To know if your efforts have made your door kick-in proof, test the door and frame under realistic force and inspect every component for movement. Start by removing any guesswork with a step-by-step physical test. First, check the strike plate and hinges by applying steady pressure with both hands to the door near the lock and then near the deadbolt area, while a helper watches the gap and frame for movement. Use a long pry bar or a weighted sled to apply a short, forceful push for a simulated kick and observe whether the latch deforms or the jamb splits. If you do not have tools, a strong, controlled shoulder push is an alternative, but only on an unoccupied home or with permission. Measure play by placing a business card or folded paper in the jamb seam and closing the door, then attempt to open or flex the door to see if the paper tears or slips. Any motion indicates a weak point. Test the deadbolt by trying to rotate the bolt with informal leverage tools to check for bolt bending or socket elongation. Record results and photograph any deformation to track whether upgrades like longer screws, reinforced strike plates, or metal door frames are making measurable differences. If uncertainty remains, schedule an expert assessment that includes torque testing and frame inspection, and keep a log of neighborhood break patterns to compare your home against similar successful entries. Many homeowners over-tighten hardware expecting strength but end up with stripped holes, so use proper pilot holes and longer grade 8 screws into the stud for real resistance. Another common mistake is reinforcing only the strike plate while neglecting the hinges. Add hinge reinforcement with longer screws or hinge plates to share load with the frame. People also assume a stronger lock solves everything, yet a weak door slab or rotted jamb will still fail. Replace or reinforce the slab and jamb first so the lock has a solid substrate to act against. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and see community discussions about what worked in real life for door reinforcement. We connect contractors with homeowners looking for projects and offer a discussion community so we can all share testing methods, installation tips, and real-world outcomes.